Hey guys, in today's video I'm taking a look at your widgets. Now in this specific video we're going to teach you how to delete them from your desktop. So let's say you added quite a few on your desktop, you may not want them there anymore. Pretty easy. So you're going to go on the top right hand corner, just tap there on the date for example, you're going to see this stuff. And all the way in the bottom you're also going to see edit widgets. So just put edit widgets, just tap on it. So once you see this stuff right here, you're just gonna have to tap on the minus sign. So if I want to get rid of this, there you go. I just got rid of it. Same goes on the sidebar. So if I want widgets from that sidebar gone, I can just click on that minus sign. And by the way, I can just get them back anytime. I can just drag them back in. But this is how to delete widgets. So I'm gonna teach you how to delete them. So let's delete all of these. Once you're done, you can click away or click on done, which is on the bottom right hand side. Just click on done. Once you do so, just click on your desktop. You should see the widgets that are on your desktop. You can move them around again, and that's it. So this is how to delete any widgets from your desktop and your sidebar. So that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.